Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add Google at a glance widget to the home screen to show calendar or weather information on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen, then touch and hold on the home screen, and next tap on widgets. Then in widgets, you want to swipe across and find the Google folder. Then touch and drag the at a glance widget to the home screen and let go. And in this widget here on the left hand side, if you tap on it, it will open up your calendar. Now because I have just added the widget, so it does not show me any upcoming meetings, but after a while it should give you some information about your upcoming meetings. And on the right hand side, it will give you information about your current location. And if you tap on the widget, it will give you more information. So for example, if you tap on it, it will open up this weather widget and it will give you the weather, if it's currently raining today or not. And you can also see a forecast for today or tomorrow or the next 10 days. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.